morning on this Sunday, December 18th, morning of coolness. We are leaving Brooks, Alberta. It is 8:30, minus 21 degrees Celsius. I think that's the high for today. And yeah, besides the cold, it doesn't look like there's any snow for today. And I just have to go some distance today. We're gonna have to do 500 kilometers, so it's the longest day yet. So it's gonna be about stamina more than anything. We got a little bit of blowy, dry snow out there, but there's no new snow, so that helps. The roads seem fairly clear. The sky's beautiful. Super cold out though. Holy smokes. This Arctic thing, some weather thing just happens to show up when we're here. So yeah, a bit of wind today, obviously here. Look at that sky though. Damn, it's beauty. Visibility is a little low, but carry on. The further east we go, the warmer it will get. So that's something. Gas is cheap, so that's nice. You know, when you feel things are against you, then there's certain things like that. So yeah, Sunday. Lovely morning out here, cold prairies of southern Alberta. I'm just gonna settle in now and try and keep warm. And yeah, I think the next stop will stop in Medicine Hat for a bit. We're gonna stop a bit today, and take breaks. A bit there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a little bit of a rainbow over to the right. Jeez, it's pretty. Yesterday it was so blowy and cloudy we didn't get to really see much. But that sun is trying hard today. Something special, this landscape. And in the winter it's even different. Beautiful. Unforgiving and cold. It's still minus 22 out there. I think it's gotten colder since we left. Ay, ay, ay. I'll always remember my trip across Canada in the winter, that's for sure. You know, when I was younger, I took my trip across to Canada. It was minus 25. So good, your nose froze together. 50, maybe less. I'm gonna say less to make myself feel better, outside of Moose Jaw, where we are going to be stopping for the evening. So put 500 kilometers behind us today, which is a good chunk. But conditions have changed. The clouds have come and the sun is gone. Friendly city, that's nice. I like friendly. Now we just gotta get off this highway to the hotel. Okay, thank you. Must have food soon. Food. Moose Jaw. Woo!